Developing new drugs. In the past, drugs were made from extracting parts of plants and microorganisms. Drugs are mostly made synthetically nowadays, which means they are made chemically and not made naturally. Pharmaceutical companies will still often use plants as their starting point for making new drugs. Digitalis is a drug used for heart conditions, including heart failure. Digitalis comes from foxglove plants and has been used throughout history as medicine. Although most drugs are made synthetically in laboratories now, Digitalis is still extracted from foxgloves to make the medication. Aspirin is a painkiller which originally came from willow bark. Ancient Greeks used willow bark for curing fevers and pains. The ingredient in willow bark, called salicylic acid, was responsible for helping with fevers and pains. Scientists have been able to make a synthetic version for us to take as medication, which is aspirin. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Penicillin is an antibiotic used to help fight against bacterial infections. He discovered it when bacteria would not grow near some contaminated petri dishes. The dishes were contaminated with the mold Penicillium. Alexander Fleming realized that the mold was releasing the chemical penicillin, and this was responsible for killing any bacteria which came near it. Drugs must be tested to make sure they are safe to take, and that they work before they are used by medical professionals and given to patients. We'll go into more detail about testing new drugs in our next video.